How's it going every day? Today I'm going to be doing an exhaust on this Fiesta, my girlfriend's motor. It's not the one I talked about in the last video. I did say in the last video, I think it was the last video, that we were going to be doing some bits to her track car. It's not a track car, it's just her daily driver. We put a Scorpion back box on it a few years ago now, and she's now got like the downpipe and centre box delete and that, so we're going to be fitting that tonight, and maybe a few bits to the cossie that new parts have came in for, but I don't know if we'll have time to do that, so we'll get on with that. I'll probably do like a quick start up now, just to let you know what it sounds like, just with the back box, and then obviously once it's done you'll hear it with the centre box away, and it's like just a 2-inch straight through stainless thing, so should hopefully sound a good bit better. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, edit that out. Right, as you can see, the two nuts on it are very corroded, rounded, not really taking a socket, so just flame cut the exhaust off just before the joint, so basically I had more access to get in. I can heat them up and try and get them cracked loose with a recovery socket or something like that, so that's what we'll do. As you can see, that's it on, and where it connects to where we had before for the back box basically, so it just does away with the centre box and the new flexi, so it shouldn't be too loud, but it should make a wee bit of a difference hopefully. It's obviously a lot better being stainless steel, it's not going to rot this in, so see how it sounds.
Smoky.
Right, that's the exhaust done on the Fiesta, so we're going to quickly put some YouTube stickers on the cossie, because we've kind of run out of time to do anything else. I've also got like fuel pipes and all that to make up. We're going to make up the end lines and that and show that, but I've kind of run out of time, so that'll probably be in the next couple of days we'll post that video up. So just going to quickly stick these on the cossie, and then we might take the Fiesta we drive, get a video with that, edit this, and then post it up, and hopefully you enjoy it.